Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to tie a knot at one end of the ribbons, and you'll leave about 1.5 to 2 inches after the knot. You don't want to tie it super tight because we're going to untie it later to tie both ends of the lei. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to make a loop on the yellow ribbon and then a loop on the blue ribbon, like so, like little bunny ears, like when you tie your shoelaces. Next, take the blue loop and put it into the yellow loop, like so. And then you're going to tighten the yellow loop so it's snug around the blue loop. Okay. Then you're going to make another loop on the yellow ribbon and insert it into the blue loop. And then we're going to tighten the blue loop. And we're basically going to repeat this until we're done with the lei. So loop, in, tighten, loop, in, tighten, loop, in, tighten. And I'm just going to go really fast here. Okay, once you have about 2 inches left on one of the ends, you want to just make sure you cut the ends evenly. Okay, and then this is where you untie your first end, and then you're going to tie these together. So I would loop these two ends into this loop, and then tie these ends together. Like so. And you can cut it